Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of crypto wallets. If you're just getting started with cryptocurrencies, having the right wallet is crucial to keeping your assets secure and accessible. Let's explore the best crypto wallets for beginners and share some essential setup and security tips. What are crypto wallets? Crypto wallets are tools that let you store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They come in two main types. 1. Hot wallets, connected to the internet for easy access, like mobile apps and web wallets. 2. Cold wallets, offline wallets for enhanced security, like hardware or paper wallets. Best wallets for beginners. Here are some beginner-friendly wallets that offer a balance between security and ease of use. Coinbase Wallet, ideal for beginners with a user-friendly app and direct integration with the Coinbase exchange, a popular hardware wallet for enhanced offline security. Exodus Wallet, great for desktop and mobile users with an intuitive interface. Trust Wallet, a mobile wallet with support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Trezor Model 1, another excellent hardware option with robust security features. Setup tips. 1. Download only from trusted sources. Always use official websites or app stores to avoid scams. 2. Back up your recovery phrase. Write down your seed phrase and store it in a secure offline location. It's your lifeline to recovering your wallet. 3. Enable security features. Use PIN codes, biometric authentication, or two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added protection. Security best practices. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Never access your wallet over an unsecured network. Beware of phishing scams. Double-check URLs and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Keep software updated. Regular updates ensure your wallet has the latest security features. Use a hardware wallet for long-term storage. For larger holdings, consider a cold wallet like Ledger or Trezor. Choosing the right wallet and following proper security practices will help you manage your crypto safely and confidently. If you're ready to take the plunge into crypto, these wallets and tips will set you on the right path. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.